Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my seafood jollof recipe with you. We eat a lot of rice, so I am always looking for new ways to switch things up. This seafood jollof recipe is going to win you so many hearts. I promise you that. Let's go over the ingredients and get right into it. I have here 6 scallops which I have cut into 2 because they were really big ones. And I also have some salmon fillets which I have cut into bite-sized pieces. I also have some squid and I have cut them into bite-sized pieces as well. They were really big, as you can tell, but feel free to use any seafood of your choice. You may use crab, octopus, it doesn't really matter. I have here some jumbo shrimps and I'm going to season all my seafood with a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. When cooking with seafood, you don't want to go overboard with the spices. So allow the seafood to shine in this dish by keeping your seasoning very minimum. The rest of the ingredients we will need are peas, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, my homemade all-purpose marinade, 1 sliced onion, and some carrots. And I will list them all in the description box below as usual. We will also need some cooked jollof that is well cooked, single grainy, not too soft. I didn't find it necessary to show the entire process in this video because I recently uploaded how I cook my Ghana jollof. But if you would want me to show how I cook my plain Ghana jollof, just leave me a comment below and like the video so I would know that you want to see this recipe. I'm going to proceed by cooking my seafood, and to save time I have 2 frying pans which I have lightly oiled, and I'm going to cook my salmon and my shrimps. Be careful not to overcrowd your frying pan and keep the salmon on a single layer. Keep in mind that because we cut them into bite-sized pieces, they cook really fast. I add my jumbo shrimps to the other pan and allow that to cook for about a minute on each side as well. And as soon as they are done, I'm going to take it out of my pan, keep it on a tray and set it aside until I am done with the rest of my seafood. In my wok, I have now heated up about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and I'm adding my onions, and I want to fry my onions for about a minute or 2. And I'm also going to add my homemade all-purpose marinade. Just a little bit is what we need in this recipe. Fry that as well for about a minute, and if you don't have this, just use some form of ginger paste, garlic paste or onion blend. It should be fine. But I will leave the link below in case you want to make my homemade marinade. Add your carrots and stir fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the carrots are just softened. And in goes all our bell peppers. You may use any color of bell pepper that you prefer. I just find it very colorful to mix all the colors. If you have only green, just use it. It's still going to come out lovely. I like my bell peppers almost raw, so I fry for just about a minute and add my peas. And as you can tell, my peas are frozen, but if I stir fry for just about a minute, they will warm through and it will defrost completely. Now season your vegetables with a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Because the jollof is already cooked, we don't need a lot of seasoning. We just want to spice up the vegetables a little bit. After seasoning the vegetables, add your jollof rice and stir fry everything together until they are well mixed. Now just look at how colorful and appetizing it is already, and we are not even done, poo. Now add all your seafood and stir fry until the seafood and the rice is well combined. You want to distribute the seafood evenly so that each scoop will have a bit of everything you put in there. And as soon as that happens, our delicious seafood jollof is ready to be served. Guys, I promise you that this is a recipe that you are going to be making over and over and over again. Your family is definitely going to appreciate you for this recipe. Try it and I know you will love it. So guys, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.